Hello everyone. I'm sure that all of you are doing well and are happy wherever you are. Remember, happiness is a choice. People are not happy, million with them, even billionaires. I've seen people, happy people, who haven't got much just to survive and live. So it's a choice. One of the best things to remain happy is to be grateful. Grateful to the Creator, whatever He has given to us. If we look at what we have been given, we'll be happy and satisfied. If we look what we don't have, it is the recipe to dissatisfaction. They say, for happiness you don't have to go long, it lies in your feet. Meaning by, it's not far away. It's most of a mental state. The people who are contented, the people who are thankful, the people who have gratitude, who keep thanking their Creator for whatever He has given and pray for more. Do talk to your Creator at night. Say, I want more. Send me more. I am very happy, whatever you have given me. But I want more. But publicly, you should always say, oh, I'm blessed. Whatsoever I have, it's enough for me. And you see, this is contagious. If you do it, your children will do it. Your family will do it. Your near and dear one will look and see that the gentleman hasn't got much or hasn't got everything of the what is required in life, the big bungalow and some limousine or something of those natures, and still he is happy. Oh. And by this, you are increasing your circle of well-wishers. Because now you are surrounded with the people who will like to be happy. And you are going to be their mentor. So let's start getting happy in ourselves. Get contented. Be grateful. Thankful. Whatever is with us, enjoy it. Thank you.